Halligan is the baby, just over 1. Mickey Mouse, hello buddy. He is next in line. He is the 2-year-old. Hi, Mickey Mouse. And then we have, hello Boss, foster boy Boss. And little Boss is about 9. Oh, Mickey's butt. Now, who is this? Hello, Allie. And here's the rest of her. I know I started with it. I had to finish. Yep. All 4 of us in the house. Oh, there goes Halligan. After Boss. Now there's 3 of us. Leave me alone. My mouth is off. All right. Mickey's looking out the window. Whoop. Halligan's got words. Hi, Halligan. Mickey's climbed off of me. Upset Allie. Halligan doesn't know what's going on. So there you go. Everybody's in the house. Except for Boss. Woo! Scary lady. Hello. And there go the little kids. So there you go. We're all have been in the house.